How to create dual apps in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To create dual apps in Android phone, first go ahead and open settings. But before that, you need to decide which applications you want to make clone or dual of. Suppose if it is of Instagram, then you can go ahead and open settings. Using the search bar, type in dual or simply app clone. If Dual did not work for you, then you need to simply search for a clone, and here you will see App Cloner. Open it. So this might be different for different Android devices, so you can try both of them. And on the recommended, there are different apps. Let's open Instagram. To create App Clone, toggle the button on. But you need to know that App Cloner cannot be turned on when your device has less than 5% of free storage. For that, you have to clean up storage and easily toggle the button to create app clone, and you can create dual apps in Android phone. I hope this guide helped you. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.